Okay, so this is the second of the Shadertoy tutorial playlist. You have to watch the tutorials in order, otherwise you won't be able to understand them. So, following on from the previous tutorial, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how the step function works. So you've got the uv.x coordinate, which is um, that's the x coordinate of the pixels, because for every pixel, all at once. And as you can see, it goes from -1 then to 0, then to 1, and it gets, as the value increases, it gets brighter and brighter, as you'd expect. So you can also do the same thing for the y coordinate. Um, so what the step function does um, is it's like a boundary, a threshold. So for the x coordinate, I'll put it at the center of the shader. So like this, putting a boundary at 0. Anything above that is 1, and anything below that is 0. So I could move that around like this, sort of boundary, and I could um, set it for the y-axis instead. And you can flip it around by changing the sign, or by changing the order. Changes how it functions. This, change it. Oh no, it doesn't. Okay, well, you can change the sign, and then flipping it around sometimes will change how it works. So that's how the step function works. So I've got a sign distance function here, which we're going to use to illustrate how you can create a solid sign distance function using the step function. So we're going to go here. We're going to use this new sign distance function for a square. So as you can see, you've got this sign distance functions for a square. You could think of it as a rectangle like this, by changing one of the components. So using the step function, you can create a solid sign distance function shape, and you don't, instead of subtracting, you specify the boundary like that. So there you got this sign distance function shape for a rectangle or a square. You could change the shape. So that's basically that. That's that for that tutorial.